All right, good morning, everyone. It is 8:57 in the morning of the 18th of August, 2021, and this is my strategy session. So the first thing we're looking at here is VRPX. And VRPX is a continuation from yesterday. It closed at $15.35 yesterday. If it opened up right now, it would open up at $31.42 for a 104% increase. So this is a continuation. There's an FDA response to drug, or let's see if I can find it. Moving. Triples on positive FDA guidance for antiviral nasal spray. All right. So this thing is okay. There are more headlines. This is nice. VRPX pharmaceutical share soar after FDA greenlights clinical testing of its antiviral barrier spray. It's still catching a bid. There's almost certainly going to be a trade here on this stock today, if not one, probably several. But it's going to be tough to trade. It's going to be crowded. As of right now, it's already traded 10.83 million shares, and its float is only 2 million shares. There's the possibility that they do a secondary offering. There's some pitfalls watching this one. So be careful trading this one. It's gonna be, look for really obvious, clear setups. The momentum setups. If I were to guess, my guess would be that it's gonna drop after the open. We'll see. We'll see what happens. So it's on watch. I don't have a high degree of confidence that I'll be trading it today. I do have a high degree of confidence there will be trade setups, but I don't know if that means that I will enter them or not. All right. PMCB, I can't find the news. I can't find the catalyst on PMCB. When I see some earnings down here, but the headline essentially is, well, here, shares skyrocketed 67%. Then it says extending Tuesday's rally. I don't see a rally. Do you see a rally in Tuesday? 17th of August, right? This is dated the 18th of August. And the headline is saying this thing extended the rally from the 17th of August. I don't see a rally. Let's look at it on a different time frame. Let's see here. Let's see on the 10-minute. This is the 17th of August. What rally are they talking about? I don't see a rally. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, it's on watch. I have no idea why it's popping up. I mean, really, I've checked all my news sources. I've checked everything that I can to find out what's going on with this thing, and I just don't know. All right. So then, and what's strange is, so this thing is traded 10.7 million shares pre-market and has a 1.53 million share float. This is very strange. It's just, very strange. It's on watch. We'll see what happens. ALC. Okay, so now I haven't put levels on ALC or ZIM or GRUB for that matter. And the reason is I'm going to wait until the open. So usually I would just kind of pick a spot, set my levels, and then go with it. But I need to see where it opens. So I'm just kind of coming through here on the 1 minute, and as this thing moves around, I'd change my levels on it. And once the bell rings, then I'll get an idea of what the best entries are for this thing. So, same thing with Grubhub. So, yeah, not exactly, nothing really to report there as levels go. Although this 4734 area is looking like it's probably going to be a pretty good area for ZIM. Let's see, ALC. Okay, so the VIX just crossed pre-market. All right, so right now the VIX, this will be better to look on the daily. So 1, 2, let's get rid of that, 3. And it didn't break down below it. So that could be, I guess, probably just sort of the first test of the support line here. If if I were to guess, and this is all basically educated guessing. This is what trading is. I mean, there are times there's degrees of confidence, in that guess. And so what I'd be looking for today is a pullback from this 1821 level. We'll see where it opens. And then bullish continuation for the SPY. So let's see what else is Bitcoin here. So Bitcoin, this is interesting. This looks like a spot that would be a good spot to buy. Got this bullish candle right here, and prices come down, to the bottom of this candle right here, and that's a good spot there are a lot of traders who would jump on that spot right in here as a place for support for the next move up. So Bitcoin is bullish. It's I guess we can go over it here, kind of go over the history. So here is the trend, between roughly, really, the trend was bullish from the 21st of October 2020, through to the 13th of March 2021. So about a year and a half, it was bullish. Is that right? Maybe 6 months. Yeah, 6 months is more like it. And then it put in a head and shoulders reversal pattern. Bitcoin did. See if I can find not that one. Down here. There it is. And then Bitcoin put in this head and shoulders pattern. So the trend was up. The head and shoulders pattern went in. The neckline was in the opposite direction as the trend. So the trend is going up and the neckline is facing down. Bitcoin broke down below its neckline here, found support in this area down here, this 28,500 area roughly. Tested support a few times and then decided just to head back up. And now the previous, this 42,000 right here is a previous high. And Bitcoin came up, hit that 42,000 mark, pulled away, regained some more energy, blew through it, and hasn't really come back to back test it really, but it did break through, pull back close, within 1,000 points of 42,000, and then moved higher. And now I suspect it's working on making another move higher here. We'll have to see. This 44,413 area ought to be support. All right. So look at ALC still taking off to the upside here. Okay, so that is going to be my morning strategy session. So good luck out there. Keep your wrist tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the bell, and I will see you at the recap. I am out.